I invite you to lose weight together and regulate your glucose levels. And for this, the real expert is chayote. It's known for helping regulate blood sugar levels with very few calories while packing plenty of nutrients into your body. Plus the protein we'll get from the egg and fresh cheese. So, ready? Let's go! Now, we're going to start by peeling the chayotes, and then we'll cut them into small cubes. Chayotes have a high water content, which lets you fill up without consuming many calories. In a pot, place the chopped chayote along with half a cup of water and cover. We're going to keep this on low heat for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the chayote is soft. Meanwhile, we'll dice the tomato, about a cup, 1 jalapeno pepper, and hey, long live Mexico, and half an onion also diced. Really, this is to taste. In a pan, spray a little cooking spray and add the onion, tomato, and jalapeno, and cook over medium heat. After about 2 minutes, add the chayote, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano for seasoning, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We put the fresh cheese on top and cover. We leave this on low heat for a couple of minutes, and now we're going to prep the eggs. Beat 2 eggs. We add salt, we add pepper, and in a pan with a little cooking spray, we pour in the eggs to make our omelet or your scrambled eggs, whichever you prefer. Now, serve your eggs with the chayote mixture on the side with its fresh cheese and a good salsa. And enjoy a delicious breakfast that will keep you full and healthy. These are Laura's recipes, and every Tuesday and Thursday I have healthy recipes specially designed for people with diabetes, for people with hypertension, for those of us who want to lose weight, and something very special because I'm also a mom of young kids. So that making this an opportunity for you kids to learn to eat healthy from an early age. Blessings, and I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment and subscribe so the algorithm brings my videos back to you.